You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Christina Marujos. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. U.S.-China relations continue to sink to new lows as the U.S. Senate rushed through legislation that will place tougher trading rules on Chinese-listed companies on American stock exchanges, and after the White House threatened Beijing with sanctions if it goes ahead with imposing a national security law on Hong Kong. China's decision to toughen control over unruly Hong Kong couldn't have come at a worse time for relations with the United States, which is heading for an election in November, and President Trump needs someone to blame for the virus crisis. With a hard-fought trade truce looking increasingly fragile, there is now a real prospect of U.S. sanctions on China and Hong Kong, while China has warned of a new Cold War. However, the market fallout has been limited, and shares in Hong Kong pulled back from negative territory today to turn slightly positive, following huge losses on Friday. A holiday in the US and the UK may be aiding the calmer market mood as many traders stay away. But once again, it appears that it's the stimulus story that's propping up equity markets. Central bankers from the Eurozone and Britain have in recent days been hinting at further monetary easing, and in Japan, the government just announced a new fiscal package worth almost $1 trillion. Yet there doesn't seem to be much respite for European currencies, with both the euro and the pound failing to sustain recent gains. A Franco-German deal of a 500 billion euro virus recovery fund had boosted the euro early last week, before expectations intensified that the European Central Bank will increase its pandemic stimulus program on June 4th. The single currency has slipped back below the $1.09 level, while the pound was also struggling, drifting back below the $1.22 level, having come under pressure from the Bank of England's U-turn on negative interest rates. However, there is more trouble brewing for the pound, as Prime Minister Boris Johnson is facing fresh controversy for not sacking his Chief of Staff Dominic Cummings, who reportedly broke lockdown rules. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great week.